Hi guys. Oops, wrong filter. Sorry. There. So, hi guys. Today, I promise you, I'll be ranking my squishies. So, first with my number one will be this one. Number one. And then number two is this. Pink needle. Number three is this. Wet dumpling. Number four is this. I personally hate this, but I don't have anybody but her. Why do I keep saying the wrong thing? So, okay. This is number four. Number five. Keyboard. Number six. Blue needle. Number seven. Pastel one. So let's move on to the next one. So I'll be like, I forgot what I said. But anyways, let's just like, wait, what's the trend about again? Okay, so I'll show you guys. First, I'll show you guys my hardest squishy. You saw this, but I don't, please. Okay. Oh, now my softest squishy. My oldest squishy, obviously this one. And the one that I hate the most. The one that my friends like the most, but I just think it's okay. Oh my god. Okay. The one that makes the most sound. And lastly, the one that I like the most. So bye, cherry blossoms.